Hi there, it's me again. And you know what? I made another challenge for us. I said, bring the pineapple and let's go in some.
We just need a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, little bit.
I am already dreading saying it
Okay,
because
this is Fanta and pineapple, and
this
we
is
are
not
very.
going to.
Try it. Try it. We mix it through. Okay, I got the straw doesn't make sense
I think
now.
I honestly think
this combination.
not it's not a challenge. It's like a combination. I think this combination is going to be
It's
very
so sweet.
orange. I think
Don't
it's gonna
drink
be
so much of
Fanta.
it. It's very sweet. It's very, very sweet.
Yeah, I thought so. I did it right.
Because pineapple already sweet. Now you're adding
No,
Fanta orange.
but there's no-
But listen, this is nice.
But there's no sound.
Lots of
There's no flavor of the pineapple. It's lost and forgotten. Missing and gone. Don't do it.
Please, would you
Waste of time.
have it?